If you're experiencing SSL certificate issues with your Namecheap domain, follow these straightforward steps to resolve them. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common SSL problems. Step 1. Check SSL status. Visit the Namecheap SSL management page to verify the status of your SSL certificate. Ensure that it is active and not expired or pending validation. Step 2. Validate domain ownership. If your SSL certificate is pending, you may need to validate your domain ownership. Check your email for a validation request from Namecheap and follow the instructions provided to complete the validation process. Step 3. Install the SSL certificate. Once validated, download your SSL certificate files from the Namecheap account. Then, install the certificate on your web server by following the specific instructions for your server type, e.g. Apache, Nginx. Step 4. Update domain settings. Ensure that your domain's DNS settings are correctly configured to point to your web server. This includes setting the appropriate records and ensuring there are no conflicting records that could cause issues. Step 5. Test the SSL installation. After installation, use an online SSL checker tool to test your SSL certificate. This will help you confirm that the certificate is correctly installed and that there are no vulnerabilities or errors. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any SSL certificate issues on your Namecheap domain. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Namecheap support for further assistance.